Form GSTR 9C is a reconciliation statement which is to be filed by the taxpayers whose PAN-based aggregate turnover exceeds Rs 2 crores during a financial year. All such taxpayers are first required to file Form GSTR 9 and then file Form GSTR 9C prepared by the auditor along with a copy of audited annual accounts and annual financial statements. In this video, let's see how you can file Form GSTR 9C on the GST portal. To start the process of filing Form GSTR 9C, as a first step, you need to download Form GSTR 9C tables derived from filed Form GSTR 9 and send it to the auditor along with the filed Form GSTR 9. To do this, log in to the GST portal with your credentials and from your dashboard screen, either click the Annual Return button or go to Services, Returns and click the Annual Return link. Both these actions will take you to the File Annual Returns page. Select the financial year from the drop-down list and then click the Search button. In case you have not downloaded Form GSTR 9 filed by you, you can do so from here. Otherwise, click this button to go to Form GSTR 9C page. On this page, click the Download GSTR 9C tables derived from GSTR 9 PDF button. System-generated PDF gets downloaded into your machine, which you can save and then send to the auditor along with filed Form GSTR 9. Next, the auditor will download GSTR 9C offline utility and prepare GSTR 9C statement in it. All the steps that auditor will perform before sending the signed JSON file to you are listed here for your reference. In case you wish to review details entered by the auditor in your Form GSTR 9C, you can ask the auditor to send you the preview PDF file generated from the offline tool. It will contain details for you to review and verify. In case of any discrepancy, ask the auditor to make corrections, sign and send the updated JSON for upload. Once you receive the signed JSON file from the auditor, make sure you don't tamper with it. Let's see how you can successfully upload the signed JSON file sent by the auditor. On the File Annual Returns page, click the Prepare Offline button in the GSTR 9C tile. The Upload section of the Offline Upload and Download for GSTR 9C page is displayed. Next, click the Choose File button. Browse and navigate to the JSON file to be uploaded. Click the Open button. The Upload section page is then displayed. A green message appears confirming successful upload and asking you to wait while the GST portal validates the uploaded data. If the upload history table shows status as processed, then you may proceed to file your return. In case of any error during upload, the upload history table will show the status as processed with error and a Generate Error Report link will be displayed. Click this link to download the zipped error report. You can then send it to the auditor so that he or she can rectify the errors and send the rectified and signed JSON file to you for upload again. In case you or the auditor want to subsequently add or edit already successfully uploaded data before filing, you need to download the processed report. For this, from the Offline Upload and Download for GSTR 9C page, go to Download section. Click the Generate JSON File to Download button. This green message gets displayed, asking you to wait for 20 minutes. After some time, this link will be generated below Generate JSON File to Download button. Click it to download the JSON file in a zipped format. Send this zipped JSON file to the auditor who will make corrections and again generate JSON, sign it and send it to you for uploading. Once you have successfully uploaded JSON and don't need to make any more changes to it, you can initiate filing. For this, on the File Annual Returns page, click the Initiate Filing button in the GSTR 9C tile. The GSTR 9C page is displayed. Click the GST DRC 03 hyperlink to make payment, if any, for additional liability as recommended by the auditor. In the Upload Relevant Documents section, click the Choose File buttons to upload the balance sheet, profit and loss statement, or income of expenditure statement and other documents, if any. Click the Save button. This will enable the Proceed to File button. Before we file, you can also preview the entered data by clicking here to download the draft form GSTR 9C in PDF format. Thereafter, go ahead and click Proceed to File button. Ready to File message is displayed on the top of the page. Scroll down and in the Verification section, select the Declaration checkbox and the name of the authorized signatory from the drop-down list. Thereafter, click the File GSTR 9C button. Click Yes on this warning pop-up. On this Submit Application page, click the File with DSC or File with EVC button for system verification to file the return. After successful verification, this page gets displayed with updated status as filed. Also, in this green message, the acknowledgement reference number is displayed, which will be sent to your registered email and mobile as well. You can click this button to download the filed form GSTR 9C in Excel format. To download the same in PDF format, click this Back button and from this GSTR 9C page, click this button. So you saw how easily you can file Form GSTR 9C on the GST portal.